Now we are going to see how to install this Anaconda Python version. We will head back to google.com. There we will search anaconda.com. We are going to click the first link that is given www.anaconda.com. After opening, we will scroll down. Here it is written products individual edition. So we'll click on that individual edition. Now again we will go down. You can see here Anaconda contains all these libraries, that is NumPy is present, then pandas, then matplotlib, which will be required for your class 12 IP. So we'll go down. Now see, there are three operating systems. One is Windows, one is Mac OS, and another one is Linux. So as per our operating system, we will download. So there are two options for Windows. I will show this for Windows 10, the latest version. So here it is given 64-bit graphical installer and 32-bit graphical installer. 64-bit according to your system architecture. If your system is 64-bit, then you need to download this. Otherwise, if your system is 32-bit, you need to download this. So I'm going to download 64-bit as my system is 64-bit architecture. We'll simply click on this. So download has started. It is showing 10 to 11 minutes. The size of the file is nearly 466 MB. So I have paused the video because downloading was going on. So successfully it is downloaded now. This is the setup file. It will be present inside the downloads folder. Now I will right click on it and we will run as administrator. It is going to take some time. As you can see, this is the setup. I'll click on next. Then these are the agreements we need to agree. Then it is coming, all users requires admin privilege and just me recommended. So we'll install for all users. Then this is the destination folder where Anaconda 3 will be installed. Space required for that is 3 GB. So this is a big file, Anaconda Python. So it will take around 3 GB space in your hard disk. So you'll click on next. There are two options. One is already checked, another one is unchecked. So this will remain unchecked if we have Python already installed in our system, but I suggest you select this one. Let both be selected. I am assuming that nobody has got Python in their system. This is required only when you don't have any Python software inside your system. So you'll check both these boxes and click on install. Now I'll sit back for some time, let it get installed. It is taking a long time, so we'll just wait to finish. I'll just pause the video and resume when it completes. So we have already installed Anaconda. Now we are going to check whether it works or not. We will open Anaconda Navigator, which is here. You can see Anaconda Navigator. We'll start this. As you can see, this icon has come. This is the Anaconda. As it is launching for the first time, it takes some time to launch fully. So Anaconda Navigator has opened. We can see all the apps here which are inside Anaconda package. So Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, PowerShell prompt, these are all already installed inside Anaconda. And this is the main one, that is Spyder, which will be required for writing Python programs. This is an IDE. You know about IDE Python. So we will launch this and see whether it works or not. As you can see, Spyder version 4 is initializing. It will take some time. So now Spyder interface is on. So this is the interface for Spyder. Here we were going to write the programs, and here in this one window we will get the output. So we have written one program to check whether all the library files are installed correctly or not. As you can see, this program will run this program. Output will be shown here. We'll click on run. See, it is testing numpy okay, testing sciencepy okay, testing pandas okay, testing matplotlib okay, everything is okay. So we have done our Anaconda installation successfully. So thank you, students.